Hey sunshine! I'm Susie and I'm the Hippie Cook. I'm super excited to be offering my live stream cooking class with you all. So if you've ever had any struggles of what to cook, if you get into your cupboard or your pantry and you just think, what can I cook tonight? Or if you struggle to make a plant-based meal taste good, or if you just like to have some fun with a group of people online, then I'd love to have you there. So basically, I run my cooking classes as a cook with me, cook along with me style. So you have access to the ingredients list before you even buy a ticket. You can go and have a little sticky beak of the ingredients list. And then once you've got your ticket, I also give you access to a couple of places like bulk food places where you can find plastic-free ways to make your shop. And then you grab all your ingredients, get together. We do it on a Friday night, so it's like a fun little activity from home. It builds a little bit of community because there'll be a group of us on a Zoom meeting together. All of your videos and audios will be on unless you prefer to have them up. That's totally fine as well. And along the way, I give you all of my little tips and tricks when I cook, like how to peel garlic really easily and how to cook brown rice to perfection, for example. So lots of my little tips and tricks along the way. And we make a beautiful 3-course plant-based and gluten-free meal together. So we make some kind of entree, a delicious and super filling main, and a dessert. Everything 100% plant-based, so vegetarian, no animal products at all. Completely gluten-free, so super healthy. You'll feel so nourished. You'll feel so healthy afterwards, and everyone will love it. It's seriously delicious. All of the food is so tasty, and you can switch it up if you want to make more or less. You know, if you've got a bigger family with you that you're cooking for, or even if you want to do it with a bunch of friends, you can just double the recipe or triple the recipe or anything. Any questions at all before the class or after the class, I'm totally here for you. So if you have any concerns about the ingredients list or you just can't find something, seriously, don't worry about it. Just give me a message and I'll shoot you some alternatives that you can use instead. I'm such a recipe rebel. I never use everything on the recipe list. So please just let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help. And then, we'll have a lot of fun together. So I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to cook with you. And I hope that I see you soon. Thank you.